Samsung x AMD destroys Apple A14 once again. What's up guys, so Galaxy S22 is back in the news. The next big beast lineup is in full speed preparation. For the first time in history, AMD is making a mobile GPU for the Galaxy S22 lineup. You guys may remember these scores from a while back, and well, the same source actually came out with some new numbers, this time with AMD's beta driver installed with GPU clocked at 1.3 GHz. Looking at the scores, you can see that the benchmark numbers have dipped a little bit compared to the initial leak, but it is still miles ahead of Apple A14. Total destruction once again. Once again, pretty big difference compared to Apple's current best, the A14 chip. Now A15 is coming and it's not going to be a huge jump from Apple A14. It's gonna have the same amount of cores. So in my opinion, I don't think there's been a better time for Samsung to truly surpass Apple, at least in GPU performance, all thanks to the power of AMD. Now speaking of performance, AMD GPU is going strong. It has a very high clock speed, but with great power comes great responsibility, and that is managing heat and thermals. So in order to minimize the thermal throttling, Samsung's mobile Exynos team asked for vapor cooling chamber on the Galaxy S22 lineup, but turns out Samsung might not do it in order to save cost on the S22 series. According to Korean media, the decision is not final yet. Ultimately, this guy will decide what they will do, whether to put vapor cooling on the S22 or just do the same thing that they've done with the S21 lineup, which is a bit concerning considering we have a really high clock speed for the AMD graphics. Hopefully Samsung won't take any shortcuts when it comes to performance. Again, as we know, Samsung has already downgraded the S series in some ways, such as not having the SD card or having a full HD plus display, some slight design compromises. So once again, I really hope that Samsung don't cut any corners short when it comes to the performance. Now last but not the least, a pretty hot Samsung flagship phone is coming, and it's gonna be a pretty good challenge to the iPhone 13 lineup, and that phone is the Galaxy S21 FE. We actually have some confirmed specs coming via Google Play console listing, and it's actually Samsung's first smartphone ever to have a Snapdragon 888 chip with 6 gigs of RAM. There will be a 8 GB of RAM version as well, but considering we have 6 GB RAM on the base model, I think Samsung might actually shock everyone with the pricing of the S21 FE. Again, we'll see what eventually happens. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What you think about the AMD performance? It's looking pretty solid. Hopefully Samsung can manage the thermal throttling. Fingers crossed. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.